Replacing a hose that has rubbed through on one of the swing cylinders for the backhoe. So I'll kind of show you what happened and then what we're going to do to replace and fix that. I'm getting in here to kind of show you what we're actually working on. So it's this hose right here that the bottom of it has rubbed a hole. The bottom and the side of it has rubbed a hole in it from just this whole action pivots whenever you do that. So it's just slowly eating a hole in that. So it goes from the back of this cylinder to the front of the other cylinder. So I'll be able to take this apart here, do the same thing up there. If you come in right here, you can get to that fairly well. So I'll be able to do that, and I'll show you that hole a little bit more. You can definitely feel it, and it was spraying out, making a mess here. It's all oil. You can see where there's been oil here from that spraying. So get that disconnected. Because it is the swing cylinder and not any of the cylinders that are supporting the backhoe, removing that shouldn't cause any issues as far as it wanting to leak off or bleed. If it was another one, I'd be more concerned about it, but with that cylinder it shouldn't be an issue. Here it feels okay still. It doesn't have any wear spots in it, so it's not an issue right now that we need to worry about, but we did get two just to have. Okay, I got you guys someplace hopefully you can kind of see a little bit of what's going on. So this fitting here is the one I'll be taking off. I'm trying not to get too in the way, and then the other one on the back side there. So this one here is pretty supported by this T, so I should be able to just take that. And it looks like it's a little bit of an updated hose, so this 19 is actually not correct. So just take the adjustable wrench, break this loose. You are going to get fluid, so actually I'm going to go get the oil pan so that I can collect that. Okay, got this side unconnected, so I'll go ahead and just loosely thread that on there, and then I'll get this other side. This one's right next to the grease fitting, so of course it's kind of covered in grease, so I'm going to try to get away first. And I have this one broken loose, so same thing, since it's one of those flare type fittings, I'm able to just use my hand to rotate it. Kind of wiggle it as I go. Okay, get that pointed in the pan there so it drains a little bit out. And it should just be a little bit that's in this hose. I'm finish taking this out. I have this piece here that it started to rub through, and then this one here is actually where the oil was coming out. So it had a couple spots, so I'm going to do just a quick sanity check, make sure that the hoses are the same length, have the same type of fittings on the end, even though it looks like they've just been updated. And then get that piece positioned so that that extra will help protect from some of this rubbing that's occurring. The piece put on plus the outer piece, and I went ahead and wrapped everything with some electrical tape because that never hurts. So I'm going to go ahead and get this positioned in, make sure that the thicker part is facing down where it rubs. With the swivels on here, I can get it tight and then position it, and then or get it close to tight, position it, and then tighten it the rest of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and set you back down, get this put back on, and and then put the backhoe back on. So that it's not touching as much back here. So let me get this started. Please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.